In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an outdoor potting bench. You can use it for your garden or as an indoor display table. Hey guys, it's Donald Yim AIFD here. Today's video is not my normal floral design tutorial. Since the past 5 videos on my channel were about wedding design, I want to break it up a little bit with a DIY project. I have to make a little confession here. I am not much a DIY person or a handyman. Because I originally came from Hong Kong, when I grew up that time, DIY is not even a thing. I am a typical city boy. But a few weeks ago, I saw a YouTube video from the DIY mommy on how to make an outdoor potting bench. I will put the link on the descriptions so you can check that out. It looked pretty simple. I thought maybe I can do it. So I went on to the Facebook marketplace to pick up some free pallets for this project. So I want to share with you my first DIY journey. Okay, right now I have some pallets here, 2 pallets, an antique window. I got it from the garage sale, and some leftover woods from the previous project, and 2x4. Hopefully I can make this as a potting bench. Okay, everything ready. Let's do this. Safety first. At first, we have to make sure those 2 pallets are the similar in size, and then cut that into half by using a jigsaw or the circular saw. I chose an easy spot to trim them down, where I had a 2x4, one of the support pieces of the pallet. Legs. I attached 2 40-inch 2x4 front legs to the bottom pieces of the potting bench. By using deck screws, I find this measurement is perfect for my height, but you can adjust the height whatever is suitable for you. I just use a scrap piece of wood and put it underneath, so raise up to about 3.5 inches. After that, I cut 2 pieces of 5.5 feet 2x4 for the back leg. Oh, I hire a security to make sure everything is look alright on the site. He did a pretty good job of checking on me from time to time. And then I attached the top pieces of pallets to the front and the back legs. After 4 legs got attached, we can flip over the whole things. And don't forget to celebrate your hard work. Oh, I forgot to tell you, my window was shorter than the pallet, so I need to cut 2 pieces of wood for the backing to support the window. Legs, I attach another piece of wood on top of my window to make a little shelf. Okay, now look pretty good. I think the security guy did a pretty good job guarding my property. Now we can do a little power wash and sand it to make sure all the dirt was off and look smooth for the paint. Right now is the time to apply some outdoor primes and paint onto the bench. I got my painting outfit. I know, I look sexy. One person doing this painting job is boring, so I find some people way cooler than me to come and help. Also, it's cheap labor. Finally, it's finished. So now we can put some decoration and floral to make it look fabulous. Hopefully you enjoy this video of my DIY journey. This video is not about showing off how good I am at DIY. I have never done a DIY outdoor furniture project before. But I want to show you, even if you are a beginner like me, you can still do a decent job of making this. Hopefully this video can encourage you to pick up a drill and the saw to DIY your potting bench.